opener of unopened knots. An elderly man, destitute and empty-handed, spent his life in extreme poverty, providing meager sustenance for his wife and children. Ironically, one day when he was going to the mill, the farmer spilled some wheat in the skirt of his clothes. The old man tied the corners of the robe together, and on his way back home, he spoke to God about his difficulties and repeatedly prayed for their resolution. O opener of unopened knots, grant us mercy and unravel one of the knots in our lives. As he whispered this prayer, a knot on his robe suddenly came undone, and the wheat scattered onto the ground. The old man was dismayed, turning to God and saying, "My dear friend, who told you to untie this knot and spill the wheat? Since you couldn't open that knot, what good does it do to open this one?" The elderly man sat down to gather the spilled wheat, but to utter disbelief, he found that the wheat grains are spilled on the bag of gold. Realizing the divine favor and mercy, he humbly prostrated himself and sought forgiveness from God. Rumi. If you enjoyed the video, please show your support with a like and a comment, and hit the subscribe button to see more videos. Thank you for joining us.